Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how you can change the language on YouTube on your computer. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, you will need on your computer or laptop go to your account. Open YouTube. Next here, you'll have your account in the upper right-hand corner. Here you have your Switch account, exit, YouTube Studio. And then down here at the bottom, it says language. I've got English. You click here. And here you have all the available languages that you can choose from. You can choose absolutely anything. Let's say we choose this one, Portuguese. Now look, we're updating. YouTube is about to update. That's it. YouTube is now completely in Portuguese. As you can see, all the titles, all the menus, we've got a different language. If you want to change it back, you also click here, where it says here language, and just change to another language. That's how easy it is to change the language on your YouTube, on any computer, laptop, and so on. If you found this method helpful and liked it, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.